Welcome to Peas and Pod, where learning blossoms like never before. At Peas and Pod, we believe in nurturing young minds with creativity and care.
I, C.A. Ankur, founder of Brainy Flock Private Limited, having brands like Peas and Pod, Hackio, CarePod, and now adding the learning space into our portfolio. We started our journey a decade back with a vision to give the quality education to the little kids. I have been the alumni of Birla Public School, Pilani. Me, along with my co-founder, we dreamt to give the quality education to each and every little ones.
Hello, I, Dr. Shilpi, being co-founder of Peas and Pod a preschool chain and the academic director of Peas and Pod preschool. We, being academic team, ensure to nurture his or her proper development for their future life. We are developing AI-based curriculum for our young learners. Also, we are based on Montessori method of learning.
At Peas and Pod, we believe in nurturing young minds with creativity and care.
We nestled our preschool with care, security, safety, hygiene, and all the facilities which a preschooler need in his or her early childhood age.
Our state-of-the-art infrastructure provides a safe and stimulating environment for your child's growth.
Peas and Pod comes from the family of Brainy Flock Private Limited, which has its vision and mission slated to develop the best daycare and preschools across the country. We are committed to provide the best of infrastructure, the best of academic support, the best of marketing support, the best of operational support, and an end-to-end preschool management to our partners. We have various other offerings by the name of CarePod and Hackio and the Learning Space, which is going to change the landscape of early childhood learning space across the country.
A dedicated team of educators foster a love for learning, ensuring every child reaches their full potential. Our curriculum is meticulously crafted to ignite curiosity and foster a love for learning. At Peas and Pod, we believe in providing an enriching environment where children can thrive. Our experienced educators are committed to nurturing each child's unique talents and abilities.
Peas and Pod curriculum is totally different in every manner. Like ours is an activity-based learning in which we provide different kind of activities that enables teachers as well as students to achieve their educational goals.
Hi, I'm Sutapa. I'm a facilitator at Peas and Pod Center. I basically teach junior data and we always try our best to give the best to the kids. Basically prepare activities in such a way that the kids enjoy, have fun and learn at the same time.
Nestled in a tranquil setting, our school provides the perfect backdrop for exploration and discovery.
I visited all the PIP centers in NCR and this changed my mind because I saw that with a less budget, they have beautified the center so well and the quality of the teachers are so good.
So yeah, PIP helped us with the marketing, with finalizing the place where we wanted our center to be. It helped us in each and everything. It held our hand at that point of time when we required. Yeah, it is helping us to grow way too much.
Like syllabus setting is very good, जो मुझे बिल्कुल ही डिफरेंट लगा. शीट वर्क था और PIP प्रॉपर बुक्स देता था, जो बुक सेट बहुत ही इनके अट्रैक्टिव थे और असाइनमेंट जो थे वो भी सेटिंग बहुत अच्छी तरह से कर रखी थी और जो इनका स्टाफ है इतना कोऑपरेटिव है.
It is certainly very different from other preschools because we are giving the best groundwork for children. We are dealing with their overall development and parents are giving us the best feedback. They are sending other parents for admissions.
Marinas has become more, you can say, better.
And what I really like about the textbooks is it's full of pictorial descriptions for everything. So my kids really love studying now. They love just turning the pages of the books. And he learned many things, how to make friends also, and what you say, how to share and basic etiquette. So I'm really satisfied. That's why I got it, roll over to nursery. So I'm very much satisfied with the this PIP. They just pampers your child like their own mother. So these are the things I like very much about it. At the end, I sum up with that yes, the teachers are the one who has made PIP.
Discover the difference at Peas and Pod. Contact us today to learn more about franchise opportunities and give your child the gift of a brighter future.